After, when these two are done, I'm going to do this all the time. Okay?
We did this one in class.
Brett, no more.
We're doing that. Hey, who's gonna hit me in the head with you?
I was going to say pick us up your own size, but
I'm almost above your size. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm like 70.
Hey, Teddy. 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 Where'd he go? There he is. Making his rounds. Hello. Teddy. You making your rounds, giving everybody some lovin'? Nobody's left out. He's even going to go over and say hi to the tablecloth. Stop tickling her, Jamie, or I'll sick Teddy on you and he'll lick you to bits. Oh, hello, up close and personal. Hello, the Lovins.
How you doing there, Brett?
Making her rounds. Making sure everybody gets hugs. Oh! Lovins! Lovins! Hey, Callie! Hi, Callie! Making her rounds. Yes, make sure everybody gets the love. Allie, big sook. You getting kisses, Raymond? Teddy? Hi! Hey, Teddy! Oh, your handsome man, look at that face! Yeah! Look at that handsome face! Yes, who could not love that voice?
now we're going to...
She's waiting for some love from her boy. She's sitting there thinking, hey!
Usually the girls train before.
Not doing easy ones.
Really, Teddy's not training before.
Teddy, Teddy. Teddy, Teddy, Teddy. Oh, we still got little Miss Sookie way over here. She sure does love the attention. Allie. Allie. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, babe. You. Hello. Oh, the beautiful girl. They want to dance too. Oh, Allie. Hi.
Watch out.
Allie. No. Hello, Allie.